It's been a while since the latest iPhone 11 leaks and rumors had already begun, but the iPhone XS Max still stands the best flagship iPhone from Apple. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Enoylity Tech. It's Milind over here, and let's have a quick unboxing and impressions of this latest iPhone XS Max. Before moving ahead, taking a look at our sponsor. The Ridge Wallet is a minimal front pocket wallet that is designed to let you ditch your bulky wallet. It is slim with RFID blocking and lifetime guaranteed. It is the last wallet you will ever buy. It comes in gorgeous titanium, lightweight carbon fiber, polycarbonate, and over dozens of different styles and colors. The Ridge also provides some amazing weatherproof duffel bags which also supports power banks. Visit richwallet.com/Enoylity and use the promo code Enoylity to get 10% off today with free worldwide shipping at the link in the video description. So getting back to the video, as of Apple style, the box is pretty jet white, and this is basically the 256 gigs variant, which is gold in color, that we got here. The iPhone XS Max is featured packed with several amazing features like the Face ID, its amazing cameras with AR capabilities, and with that 6.5 inches super gorgeous OLED display, which is in fact one of the best displays in the market till today. So moving ahead with the unboxing, let me just peel off this outer plastic, and here we have the neat iPhone XS Max box. Let's opening up the box. Wow! At first, we have this designed by Apple in California labeled paperwork pouch with a notch shaped design, which first of all includes the Say Hello to Your New iPhone Quick Start Guide, some additional paperwork with SAR details, a SIM ejector tool, and some cool Apple logo stickers which you can paste wherever you like to have that Apple feel. So for a while, let me keep this aside. And here we have the phone itself, completely wrapped up with plastic. Before getting on to the phone, let's have a look what Apple has included in the box. So we basically have this Apple earphones which are with the Lightning connector. So guys, in overall we get the earphones which comes up with the Lightning jack, not the 3.5mm jack. So if you are considering using this earphones with some another device which only supports the 3.5mm jack, which mostly does, then you will definitely need to purchase a separate 3.5mm to Lightning adapter, a USB Type A to Lightning jack cable. As the Apple only provides the Lightning input in their iPhones, then the USB Type A to Type C is also Lightning, which isn't a big deal unless you want to use the earphones while charging, because for that as well we will need a different kind of adapter. A normal 5V charging adapter, which is basically not a fast charger. Unlike Samsung and others, Apple hasn't included the fast charger in the box itself. This in-box charger outputs a 5V DC and 1 ampere of current, which generally takes about 3 to 4 hours to fully charge the device. This means for fast charging you will need to buy a separate fast charger, which generally costs us around $70 more just for fast charging your device. So that's all we get in the box. So getting back to the phone, here comes the fun part. Let's peel off the plastic from the front and the back. That was the real fun. Really satisfying. And here we have the brand new iPhone XS Max. The front and back of this device are completely made up of glass with a stainless steel frame around it, which makes sure that this device is IP68 dust and water resistance up to 2 meters and 30 minutes. So booting up this device for the first time, let's power it up. And here we go. The startup Apple logo really looks pretty cool. The device takes longer than usual to get started up for its first boot, and here it is. I personally like this really cool wallpaper specially designed for this iPhone XS Max 3D touch previews. As we have just unboxed this device, I haven't set up the Face ID or any passcode to unlock it, which I will be covering up in the full review video coming this week. So this phone basically comes with the iOS 12 pre-installed, which can be easily upgraded to the latest iOS 12.2 as Apple has already provided the official upgrade. Other than this, it also supports the latest HDR10 and can also record 4K at the rate of 60 FPS with amazing Dolby Vision for immersive experience while watching movies. So guys, this was a quick unboxing of this iPhone XS Max, the best flagship smartphone from Apple till today. The full review of this device is coming up this week guys, so stay tuned for that. And also for the new giveaways like the Galaxy S10 Plus are also coming up, so make sure to be a part of this channel in order to be a part of them. Subscribe and hit the bell notifications if you haven't already, and comment down below what do you think about this latest iPhone XS Max. Once again, this was Milan from Enoylity Tech. I will catch you guys soon in the next one with the complete review about this latest iPhone XS Max. Love you my dear Enoylity squad, and for now, peace out.